Imagine with me a fruit we all eat and love for its distinctive taste, yet the most valuable part of it is exactly the part we throw away. Yes, the pomegranate peel that we discard without a second thought is actually one of the most powerful natural secrets that benefit our health and beauty in ways you would never expect. Today, I'll reveal 5 amazing benefits of it, and I'll take you step by step through how to use it without breaking the flow into fragmented explanations or long recipes. Just listen, and you'll understand how a simple peel can change so much. Before we begin, if you enjoy this type of useful content, your support with a like and subscribing to the channel help us continue and provide you with more accurate and valuable information. To start, when choosing a good pomegranate, look for a heavy fruit with a firm, tight skin. This indicates that it's full of juice and seeds. When opening it, there's no need to squeeze or crush it. Simply make a small cut at the top and gently pull the sides apart, and the fruit will open easily in your hands. Take the seeds and leave the peels ready for the most important step, cleaning them. Then placing them in the sun or in the microwave until they dry completely and become hard. Only then do we grind them to obtain a fine powder that can be relied upon for dozens of uses. Now the journey begins with the first benefit. When we take a small amount of this powder and place it in boiling water for a few minutes, we notice how the color changes and the beneficial compounds are released. It turns into a warm drink that helps the body eliminate toxins and boost immunity. You can improve its taste with honey, lemon, or any addition you prefer. From the very first sip, you'll feel a gentle difference, as if you've given your body a boost of strength. From here, the benefit flows smoothly to the mouth and gums. Because this powder has a strong ability to fight bacteria, a small amount can be mixed with a pinch of salt and used with toothpaste. Within days, you'll notice gum inflammation calming down and unpleasant odors fading away, as if your mouth is regaining its freshness once again. And since we're talking about freshness, let's continue our journey to the skin. Pomegranate peel powder, combined with a little fine sugar and rose water, becomes a gentle scrub that removes impurities from the face and restores vitality from the very first use. From the skin, we move on to the hair, and here begins one of the most beautiful benefits. When we mix the peel powder with yogurt, aloe vera gel, and coconut oil, we get a blend that feels almost magical. Apply it to the hair for just 1 hour, and after washing it out, you'll notice a calmer scalp, less dandruff, and stronger hair. With repeated use, a light, beautiful brown tone may appear, giving the hair a natural and healthy look. Finally, we reach the 5th benefit, a surprise for many people. Drinking a warm pomegranate peel decoction at night is considered a natural treasure rich in antioxidants that stimulate blood circulation and support blood vessel health. This helps enhance vitality and combat signs of weakness caused by fatigue or poor blood flow. This vital support gives the body a boost of energy and helps maintain better physical balance for both men and women in a natural and safe way. And this is how we discover that a peel we once thought was worthless can become a powerful element for health and beauty. Now tell us, which of these uses caught your attention the most? And have you tried any of them before? That was all we had. If you like the content, don't forget to support us with a like, share the video with your friends, and leave your opinion and experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching.